Hello everyone, welcome to the Newless channel. In this short video, I will show you how you can increase GTA5 or any other game downloading speed if you are downloading it from Epic Games launcher. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start a video without wasting any time. So just follow every step as I am showing you in this video.